Hello, yo monkeys, telling you why your disc tray isn't working. See, that thing right there has to slide forward to read the disc. Now, what was happening was mine was only sliding halfway, like that far. I don't know if you can see it, but now I am magical and fixed it. And now, I don't know if you can see the little laser there. Oh, now you can see it. There we go. Bring the freaking light. Can't put a disc in there because I don't have one of those magnet things. But let's do it again. Alright, watch the laser. Come on, this is too close. Alright. See, now it's going on the way. Because I'm magical and I fixed it. And if I turn it off, it should have slid back into place.